Hello everyone, myself Navina. I will be presenting my WinDev 2024 batch final project, that is image editor. So let us quickly scroll over the code base that I have written to implement this tool. So a very quick run over the code base. Then I will build the code and let's launch the application. So as I am launching this for the first time after building, I'll have to register myself, and let me show the registration. So just for the sake of verification, I'll also add a numerical input just to see if it allows us to do it. So it doesn't allow us to register whenever there is numerical or numerical or special character input. So to wherever the name is highlighted in red, we'll have to update it with only alphabetical inputs. And if I register now, it registered successfully, and now it asks us to open the file menu and open menu option to load the image. So I'll do that. Open. Okay, so the image is successfully loaded into the tool, and now let us look at the available editing options into this. So as we can see, there are two uh, tools available. One is color picker, which is over here, and the other one is image editor. So color picker is a simple tool which allows us to pick the color from the image that is loaded into this tool. So wherever we click on the image, the color at the tip of the mouse pointer will be picked, and the values will be updated here, and also the color will be highlighted. Let's see that. So yeah, as we can see here, the pick color is displayed here, and the corresponding RGB values are also displayed here. And these two checkboxes are for exporting these values. So if we enable these two checkboxes, the first checkbox is to export the normal color values. Those are the ones that are already given here, and the uh, color picker normalized color values will be exported if we enable this second checkbox. The normalized color values are nothing but the values, these values, those are clamped between 0 and 1. So once we enable these two, and if we pick in or choose any color, it will store those color values into a log file. So we will see that log file later on, and we will switch to the other editor, the other tool, that is filters. So we have three filters available right now: desaturation, sepia, and invert color, and we will see them one by one. So firstly, I will enable desaturation using this radio button and say apply effect. So this is how the desaturation output looks like, and I'll reset the image to back to the original one. Let us see sepia effect now. I'll select sepia effect and say apply effect. Okay, this is how the output of the sepia filter looks like. As we can see, the output looks like a vintage image, so that is what the sepia filter does. Finally, let us select invert color effect and apply it. Before that, okay, I will reset the image back to the original image and say apply. Okay, so the invert color effect looks like this. The invert color is nothing but the inversion of the existing color, so it will replace the existing color with the exactly opposite color of it between the range within the RGB range. So the output looks like this. I'll reset the image back to the original one, and that's it about this tool overall. I will exit this tool, and we'll also look at the about details. So here I have my details about myself, a few of them. That's it about this tool actually overall. Before we wind up, we will also check the logs that it has generated. As we can see here, it has generated a log that has all the events that we uh, that got registered during the usage of the tool. So initially there is this a registration of the user and then the picked color details. So the values are stored in a separate color picker log. So as we can see here, once we enabled the checkboxes, it has recorded all the picked colors after that. And the normalized color logs are again saved in a different file. As we can see here, the same color values that we saw in the previous log are clamped between 0 and 1 and stored in this log. So yeah, that's it about this image editor tool. Thank you.